Minister of State Brishaketu Debbarma sat in his office at the Secretariat after taking oath. MLA Safna Debbarma, MLA Nandita Riang, MLA Philip Riang, MLA Subodh Debbarma and other members of the Tripura congratulated him with a wreath and a bouquet of flowers. Minister of State Brishaketu Debbarma sworn in as a cabinet minister at the Raj Bhavan on Thursday. After the oath-taking ceremony, he went to the Secretariat and sat in his office. Minister of State Brishaketu Debbarma sat in his office at the Secretariat after taking oath. MLA Sapna Debbarma, MLA Nandita Riang, MLA Philip Riang, MLA Subodh Debbarma and other members of the Tripura congratulated him with a wreath and a bouquet of flowers. However, Cabinet Minister Brishaketu Debbarma said that he has no idea under what department he will be given powers.
Sir, nini career ni jab politics se वहाँ पर बनेंगे MLA एंगे ruling party of फेंका था वो हन हाइटे शायद second time MLA एंगे ruling party of फेंका ये दाबुक जे अप्रोच जे ruling party होता ना बरो BJP दाबुक जे ruling party होता ना बरो BJP दाबुक हने BJP election फेंका बुमा हाकित दाबुक लुकुरों बागी सामुं खाइमा ना हिवान सुख सर
चिंतो नहीं बुबागरानी कॉक सराय के साथ जे चिनी की प्रसार उठनी constitutional solution no the written summary borok by sing sarkar asukman hingkai okong buang rasa ke kini written nornukha accord mani sugno written likha abun kini bharat ni je sarkar ba sarkar sing accord ka sini land right sini political right sini economic development joto sugno written ni borok posisa awal bagi sing dabu election ke kini semai tangka naikna dabu Tripura saroki sekarang ini salo sing je sini rights to mani amanu sing salo yang bagi sing samung kai
Tripura ni history apa puila abono je state minister cabinet minister ni bagi alga ka juda kan sir abon tadi
abu dabu Maharashtra mane abu di Maharashtra pura depend khlayo dabu state minister semai tangka dabu tam department itu na kubuni menteri by attach kari to na abu to saini au Maharashtra.
However, the members of the Tripura were not satisfied because MLA Brishaketu Debbarma was inducted as Minister of State besides promising to make Cabinet Minister. Similarly, all the procedures has been completed to make LUP Animas Debbarma as Deputy CM. However, it was realized on the day of oath-taking ceremony on Thursday that LUP Animas Debbarma was not appointed as Deputy Chief Minister. Members of the Tripura were unsatisfied and saddened by this incident. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.